Hello, welcome. Today let us see how to send a scheduled message in a Telegram and also how to send a silent message in a Telegram. Okay. Just go to Telegram. Actually, iINTELLIGENCEi.org. So I am using that to send it to my personal number. Okay. So this is the official number, and I want to send a message to my personal number. Okay. So in that case, first, how to send a scheduled messages. Just typing the first, just type the message you want to send. Now, normally what we do is just copying it for my future use. See, normally what we do is we used to just click it, it will reach. Right? This is the normal way of doing or sending a message, similar to WhatsApp. Now, in order to schedule a message, what we have to do is, after typing the message, what we have to do is we have to long press the send button. Then there will be two options. One is schedule a message, then send without sound. Now you click the first option, schedule message. Now let us schedule the message to, now the time is 11:46. Let me schedule the message to 11:47. I'm just clicking it, send today at 11:47. Okay. Now the message has been scheduled. If you see at the top, you can find that this is the scheduled messages. Right? And this scheduled message will go after 1 minute. Similarly, you can set the time as per your requirement. The purpose of this scheduled message is that you can avoid sending messages in untime. Okay, that is the main purpose of using the scheduled messages. And Telegram, when compared to WhatsApp, there are a lot many features available, and one of the main feature is the scheduling of messages and sending silent messages. Suppose in case your boss is in a meeting, at the same time you want to send a message without disturbing him. So at such cases, sending a silent message will be very useful. Right? So now you see no scheduled messages here yet. So that means next 1 minute the message has reached. So let me check it back. See it here. Dear sir, please attend the meeting today. 11:47 it has been sent. Okay. Similarly, you can do it for any time you want, whatever you want you can set. See here, long pressing it, schedule message. See, even tomorrow you can send January 20, right? You can set the time by 8 o'clock. You want 1 minute. Right? So send on bottom you can see a button, send on January 20 at 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. So if you send it, it will be sent only tomorrow by 8 a.m. So this is how the process how to send a scheduled message. Now let us see how to send a silent message. Similarly, just type whatever the message that you want to send. Now long press the Telegram icon to be sent. Now in these two options, in order to send a silent message, click the second option, that is send without sound. The message will be sent immediately, but without any sound it will reach the concerned person. This is a process how to send a silent message in Telegram. This feature is not available in WhatsApp. So that is a specialty of Telegram. Okay. So let me see this. 1 minute. The other person's. Okay. See here. It has reached. Okay. So by tomorrow, right, since we have scheduled a message, it will reach. The Telegram will send me another message at the scheduled time tomorrow by 8 a.m. Right? Whereas this message without any noise, it reached me. That is a silent message. Okay. So this is how we use. What is the procedure? How to use a scheduled message in Telegram and how to use a silent message in Telegram. Thank you, friends. Hope you have understood.